Have you ever wondered what it feels like to sail through waters so pristine they mirror snow-capped mountains like a perfect photograph, while glaciers thunder into the sea just yards from your ship?
I'm about to share 20 compelling reasons why an Alaska cruise should be at the very top of your travel bucket list, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be researching departure dates faster than a breaching humpback whale disappears beneath the surface. Alaska represents the final frontier of American wilderness, a land where nature operates on an almost incomprehensible scale. When you choose to explore this magnificent territory by cruise ship, you're not just booking a vacation, you're securing a front row seat to some of the most spectacular natural phenomena our planet has to offer. Let me paint you a picture of what awaits you in the last frontier. The first reason to embark on an Alaska cruise centers around the absolutely breathtaking scenery that will surround you from the moment you enter Alaskan waters. Imagine waking up each morning to panoramic views of towering mountains that seem to touch the sky, their peaks dusted with snow, even in summer months. The Inside Passage, which most Alaska cruises navigate, offers a protected waterway lined with temperate rainforests, dramatic fjords, and pristine wilderness that remains largely untouched by human development. You'll witness landscapes so stunning that photographs simply cannot capture their true majesty. The interplay of light and shadow across these mountainous terrains creates an ever-changing canvas that will leave you speechless multiple times throughout your journey. Wildlife viewing opportunities represent the second compelling reason to choose an Alaska cruise. This region serves as home to an incredible diversity of marine and terrestrial animals that you won't encounter anywhere else in such abundance. From your ship's deck or through your cabin window, you might spot massive humpback whales breaching the surface, their 40-ton bodies launching completely out of the water in displays that seem to defy physics. Orca pods often accompany cruise ships, their distinctive black and white patterns cutting through the water with remarkable grace. Brown bears and black bears frequent the shorelines, fishing for salmon in crystal-clear streams, while bald eagles soar overhead in numbers that will amaze you. Sea otters float on their backs in kelp beds, and harbor seals bask on ice floes, creating wildlife viewing opportunities that rival any nature documentary. Glacier experiences provide the third reason that makes Alaska cruises truly extraordinary. Nothing prepares you for the moment when your ship approaches a massive tidewater glacier, where centuries of compressed ice meet the sea in dramatic fashion. The sounds alone create an unforgettable sensory experience as the glacier creaks, groans, and occasionally calves, sending house-sized chunks of ice crashing into the water with thunderous roars. Many cruises spend extended periods near famous glaciers like Hubbard Glacier or those found in Glacier Bay National Park, allowing passengers to witness the raw power of these ancient ice rivers. The brilliant blue color of glacier ice, caused by the way compressed ice crystals absorb light, creates a visual spectacle that seems almost supernatural. The fourth reason involves the unique cultural experiences you'll encounter throughout Alaska's coastal communities. Indigenous Alaska Native cultures have thrived in this region for thousands of years, and many cruise itineraries include stops where you can learn about their rich traditions, art forms, and ways of life. You might witness traditional dance performances, observe master carvers creating intricate totem poles, or visit cultural centers that showcase the sophisticated societies that have called this land home for millennia. The blend of indigenous heritage with the more recent history of Russian fur traders, gold rush prospectors, and hardy pioneers creates a cultural tapestry unlike anywhere else in North America. Convenience represents the fifth compelling reason to choose a cruise format for your Alaska adventure. Unlike land-based Alaska travel, which often requires multiple flights, lengthy drives on remote highways, and complex logistics to reach the most spectacular destinations, a cruise ship serves as your floating hotel, restaurant, and transportation all rolled into one. You'll unpack once and wake up in a new location each day, without the hassle of coordinating accommodations, meals, or transportation between destinations. This convenience factor becomes especially valuable in Alaska, where distances between attractions can be vast
and infrastructure limited. The sixth reason centers on the incredible photography opportunities that await at every turn. Alaska's dramatic lighting conditions, especially during summer months when daylight extends well into evening hours, create perfect conditions for capturing stunning images. The golden hour seems to last for hours, bathing mountains, glaciers, and wildlife in warm, ethereal light that makes every shot look professionally composed. Whether you're an amateur with a smartphone or a serious photographer with professional equipment, you'll find yourself constantly reaching for your camera to capture moments that seem too beautiful to be real. Weather advantages provide the seventh reason why cruising represents the ideal way to experience Alaska. While the state's reputation for harsh weather conditions might intimidate some travelers, cruise season coincides with Alaska's most pleasant months, typically running from May through September. During this period, temperatures in coastal areas remain comfortable, usually ranging from the 50s to 70s Fahrenheit, while the extended daylight hours of summer provide ample time for sightseeing and activities. The cruise ship itself offers protection from any inclement weather, ensuring your comfort regardless of outside conditions. The eighth reason involves the exceptional dining experiences available aboard modern cruise ships sailing to Alaska. Many cruise lines partner with renowned chefs to create menus featuring fresh Alaska seafood, including king crab, salmon, halibut, and other regional specialties. You'll have the opportunity to taste authentic Alaska cuisine while enjoying panoramic views of the passing scenery through the ship's dining room windows. Some cruise lines even offer cooking classes featuring Alaska ingredients, allowing you to learn techniques for preparing the fresh seafood and regional specialties you'll discover during your journey. Adventure opportunities represent the ninth compelling reason for choosing an Alaska cruise. While the ship provides comfort and luxury, most itineraries offer numerous shore excursions that allow you to actively explore Alaska's wilderness. You might find yourself kayaking through quiet bays, surrounded by towering cliffs, taking scenic flights over massive glacial fields, hiking through temperate rainforests, or even trying your hand at gold panning in historic mining areas. These activities can be tailored to various fitness levels and interests, ensuring that everyone from families with young children to active seniors can find suitable adventures. The 10th reason focuses on the educational aspects of Alaska cruises that transform your vacation into an enriching learning experience. Many ships feature naturalists, historians, and cultural experts who provide lectures and presentations about the regions you're visiting. You'll gain insights into glacial formation, marine ecosystems, Alaska native cultures, and the state's fascinating history of exploration and development. This educational component adds depth to your travel experience, helping you understand and appreciate the significance of what you're witnessing. Value considerations provide the 11th reason why Alaska cruises represent an excellent travel investment. When you calculate the cost of accommodations, meals, transportation between multiple destinations, and various activities, a cruise often provides exceptional value compared to independent travel in Alaska. The all-inclusive nature of most cruise packages means you can budget more effectively for your trip with fewer surprise expenses along the way. Additionally, the ability to visit multiple destinations without repeatedly packing and unpacking adds convenience value that's difficult to quantify but greatly appreciated. The 12th reason involves the social aspects of cruise travel that can enhance your Alaska experience. You'll meet fellow travelers who share your sense of adventure and appreciation for natural beauty, often forming friendships that extend well beyond your cruise. The shared excitement of witnessing a glacier calving or spotting a pod of whales creates bonds between passengers that might not develop during other types of travel. Many cruise ships organize special events and gatherings that celebrate the Alaska experience, creating a sense of community among passengers. Family-friendly features represent the 13th compelling reason to choose an Alaska cruise. Unlike some adventure travel options that might exclude younger or older family members, cruise ships cater to all ages with supervised children's programs, educational activities designed for young minds, and accessibility features for guests with mobility concerns. Grandparents can share the wonder of Alaska with grandchildren, creating memories that will last lifetimes. The ship's amenities ensure that even if weather or personal preferences keep some family members aboard during certain port stops, everyone can still enjoy comfortable accommodations and entertainment.
The 14th reason centers on the unique perspective that viewing Alaska from the water provides. Many of the state's most spectacular features are best appreciated from the sea, where you can gain proper perspective on the scale of mountains, glaciers, and coastal formations. This marine viewpoint also allows access to areas that remain completely inaccessible by road, including remote fjords, hidden coves, and pristine wilderness areas that few people ever have the opportunity to witness. The ship's elevation above water level provides optimal viewing angles for photography and wildlife observation. Luxury amenities represent the 15th reason why cruise ships offer an ideal base for Alaska exploration. After days filled with adventure and natural wonder, you can return to comfortable staterooms, often featuring private balconies, perfect for watching the passing scenery. Many ships offer spa services, fitness centers, swimming pools, theaters, and various entertainment options that provide relaxation and diversion during sea days or evening hours. This combination of wilderness adventure and luxury comfort creates a travel experience that satisfies multiple desires simultaneously. The 16th reason involves the professional crew and service standards maintained aboard cruise ships sailing to Alaska. These vessels typically employ staff members trained specifically in Alaska's unique conditions, wildlife, and attractions. From deck officers who can provide expert commentary during scenic cruising to dining staff who understand regional cuisine, you'll benefit from professional service that enhances every aspect of your journey. The crew's knowledge and enthusiasm often prove contagious, adding to your overall enjoyment and understanding of the region. Seasonal exclusivity provides the 17th compelling reason for Alaska cruise travel. The relatively short cruise season means that visiting Alaska by ship feels special and exclusive, unlike more crowded cruise destinations that operate year-round. This limited season also ensures that you're visiting during the absolute best time to experience Alaska's natural wonders, when wildlife is most active, weather conditions are optimal, and daylight hours are extended for maximum sightseeing opportunities. The 18th reason focuses on the diverse port destinations included in most Alaska cruise itineraries. You'll likely visit charming towns like Ketchikan, known for its impressive collection of totem poles and rich native Alaskan heritage, or Skagway, which preserves the atmosphere of the Klondike Gold Rush era. Each port offers unique attractions, shopping opportunities, and cultural experiences that showcase different aspects of Alaska's character and history. These stops provide perfect opportunities to stretch your legs, explore on foot, and interact with local residents who call Alaska home. Health and safety considerations represent the 19th reason why cruise ships provide an excellent platform for Alaska travel. Modern cruise vessels maintain medical facilities staffed by qualified professionals, providing peace of mind for travelers concerned about accessing healthcare in remote areas. The ship's size and stability also make them suitable for passengers who might experience motion sensitivity on smaller vessels. Additionally, the controlled environment aboard ship ensures consistent access to clean water, safe food preparation, and comfortable accommodations regardless of conditions ashore. The 20th and final reason encompasses the lasting memories and personal transformation that often result from Alaska cruise experiences. Many passengers describe their Alaska cruise as a life-changing journey that provides new perspectives on nature, personal capabilities, and what truly matters in life. The combination of stunning natural beauty, wildlife encounters, cultural learning, and shared adventures creates a travel experience that remains vivid in memory for years to come. Many Alaska cruise veterans find themselves planning return trips to explore different regions or experience the journey during different seasons. As we conclude this exploration of why Alaska cruises deserve serious consideration for your next major travel adventure, remember that Alaska represents one of the few remaining places on Earth where nature still dominates the landscape and human presence remains relatively minimal. The opportunity to witness this wilderness from the comfort and convenience of a well-appointed cruise ship provides the perfect balance between adventure and comfort, challenge and relaxation. The memories you'll create during an Alaska cruise extend far beyond typical vacation experiences. You'll return home with stories of glaciers calving into the sea, whales breaching alongside your ship, and landscapes so magnificent they challenge your ability to describe them adequately. These experiences often inspire travelers to become more conscious of environmental conservation and to seek out additional opportunities for nature-based travel. If you found this exploration of Alaska cruise benefits helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more travel insights and destination guides. Share your own Alaska cruise experiences or questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if it's inspired you to start planning your own Alaska adventure. Your last frontier awaits, and I guarantee it will exceed even your highest expectations.